Hello guys, welcome back to Randy Talk Video. Today I will show you how you can fix any wiggly door. Number one. See? Check. Let me give you a close-up. See? See closer? You could see my door wiggly somewhere here. So what I'm gonna do is unscrew it. Yeah, sorry if you can't see. It's a super small corner. Here. So what I'm gonna do is unscrew the door. And unscrew the door and take the door out. Okay? Okay, guys. Damn. I can't see what the builder used. Oh, it's coming out. Here we go. You guys, you see me removing the nail, the door handle now. Okay. Let's see. Try to take this nail out. I know I might take out the door handle, but I need to do that. Wow, what nail is this? A long nail? Big long door nail. Long nail go. Go. There's the nail. Go. Take forever to go. Sorry if the video takes too long. Because those screwdrivers are long. Longest things ever. But I know I'm gonna remodel the door and take the nail out. But that's what I'm gonna have to do. I have to take the nail out. This one having trouble. Oh, here we go. See guys, the door handle fall off. I'm not gonna remove all of them. I got now. I will put it back together.